Yeah.
So what you'll do, you'll drop in from here.
Right.
Straight.
I'll hit this one?
Yep.
Okay.
Cool? Okay. 3, 2. Don't forget to Thank you. What? Welcome back to Trailer Trash RC. Today, what are we doing today? Oh yeah, my friend Tyler brought out his Arrma Kraton EXB 6S, and we take it to the skate park. And let me tell you guys, this thing absolutely rips. Woo! So I attempt to catch it with my bare hands, and DM me if you want a Trailer Trash RC tumbler. Bash it, crash it, trailer trash it. Boom, bang, bang. Look at that. And things are so much more refreshing when you drink them out of a TTRC tumbler. Let me tell you. Anyway, also. Bye. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys. We love you. Enjoy the video. Okay. 3, 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh my goodness, dude. Look at that. Oh, she's beautiful. Wow. Holy crap, dude. What are these tires called? These are trenchers or what?
That's the Pro-Line
trenchers. Wow. All right, and this is the what KV?
1250 kV Spectrum.
1250 kV Spectrum, which I believe is the same one that I have in my Outcast 8S. So, wow, holy crap, dude. Incredible.
Still got to get the wires and everything tied down, but yeah, man.
Who cares about that crap? Who cares about that crap? Oh my gosh. All right, well, so we're out here. We're at the skate park. Beautiful. So our first task is we're gonna climb up that right there. All right. All right. Oh, okay. Okay, so she's starting off on 4S. She is 8S capable, but today probably only gonna go what, 6S? 6S. Okay. But even still, she's geared like an 8S herself. Oh my god! Don't scare. Don't. Professional driving right there. Oh. Okay, so I think there's a clicking in this sucker already. Not good. Let's hear it. Oh yeah. Bring her over. Weird day. All day, guaranteed. Give her a little. Yeah, give her a little more. A little more. Yeah. Let her ride. All right, well, started to break on 4S, so we're just gonna throw the 6S in it and see what we can do.
Go for it.
Uh-oh. All right, so you're going in there, right? Come on, bro. Triple dog dare you also. Triple dog dared. We'll see what he does here. It's all you. Oh God. It's perfect. It's perfect. Oh God.
I hope you got that on tape.
I hope I did too.
Sweet, I just jumped that.
You gotta go the other way. That's the safer way. I have an idea. So here's the thing. You see that little jump over there, bro? You can actually get air on that thing. And not damage the bike. It's got shocks and everything. I believe in you. That's all you need. You better send. All right, go for it. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to take this thing and I want to launch it off of this jump here and over this fence, and then I want to catch it.
Let's do it.
Okay.
I'll sit up, like, you want me to lay underneath it? You guys jump over me?
maybe.
Stack each other side
There you
by
go. Now we're talking. Actually, let's do that first. Okay, you come here. You can lay down up here. There you go. Here, put your head over here though. All right, move that way a little bit. There you go. Woo! Go again. Oh, it will. All right.
Amazing. Exhilarating.
Okay. Live in his life, he said. All right. Going.
Yeah.
So what you'll do, you'll drop in from here.
Right.
Straight.
I'll hit this one?
Yep.
Okay.
Cool?
That's it.
Hit it. My man. Yeah.
Try again.
All right, we're live. Send it. Send it. Send it. Send it. Woo! Send it. Woo! Oh! Woo! Oh! Woo!
We did it. We did it. We captured the beast. Okay, yeah, take it away. Oh. Woo! It was at this moment that he realized the true meaning of success had nothing to do with external accomplishments, but everything to do with what's in your heart. Okay. Yeah. Go for it.
Perfect. Thanks, man.
No, you're straight, bro. Yeah, you're straight. You gotta, bro, you gotta know, you gotta send it. You can't just half send it. All right, here we go. Let's see it. That was beautiful. Hold on, hold on. All right, how do you feel?
Oh, it is definitely.
It's your shot.
Yeah.
Plop her up there.
There goes a screw.
Oh, wow. Your chassis still straight and everything. Oh, yeah. EXB. Well, there it is, guys. Kraton, EXB.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have an EXB next.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
That's right, you are getting one of them.
Yup.
Okay, we're gonna bring that
Heading
here
to
too.
Orland Park. I'm coming to you, baby.
We're gonna bring that. So much for watching. We have t-shirts for sale. We have tumblers, so get yourself a tumbler if you like, you know, to put stuff in tumblers. Hoodies, DM me at trailertrash_RC on Instagram. Email me trailertrashrc@gmail.com, or depending on when you're watching this, our website will be up and it will be in the description. So trailertrashrc.com. We'll see you there. Love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Have a good day. Have a good day. Bash it, crash it, trailer trash it.